Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can create a business email on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And lastly, right here, you're going to find your applications. So basically guys, right now what you need to do is go all the way down, go ahead and click on settings. And then once here in the settings, if you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find the general settings, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, checkout, and so on. So basically guys, right here, just search for notifications and then give it a click. Once you're here in the notification menu, as you can see guys right here, you're going to find sender email, the email your store uses to send emails to your customers. So basically guys right here, you can change this email to any email that you want. And basically guys, when your customers are going to receive the email, they're going to find this address right here. So just go ahead and add the email you want. And then here in the bottom, you're going to find confirm you have access to this email. So just click on send verification. And then you're going to receive the verification in your email inbox. And after that, just click on verify and then just go back right here. And then you're going to find that your status has been changed to verified. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.